There's new concern airlines are failing to keep the coronavirus off flights. The Airline Pilots Association fired off a letter to the FAA. It asks the agency to create federal standards for disinfecting planes.
There is inadequate cleaning in many of our carriers. There is inadequate disinfectant.
The union also told the FAA airlines are not always alerting crew members when they've been in direct contact with other individuals subsequently determined to be infected by the coronavirus.
Every day, our pilots and our flight attendants are literally taking their lives in their hands.
We reached out to the 4 big U.S. airlines, American, Delta, Southwest, and United. All told us they have policies about notifying crew members when a colleague tests positive for the virus, as the CDC recommends. They share different procedures for sanitizing planes. United said it's wiping down all hard surfaces in the cabin with high-grade disinfectant.
We introduced an electrostatic fogging procedure.
American, Delta, and Southwest told us they're using a disinfecting fog. The kind of cleaner, when, and how often it's used varies by airline. Only Delta shared the name of the cleaning solution it uses. The FAA confirmed it does not have rules for keeping planes free from coronavirus. The CDC has recommendations, but no way to enforce them.
The airlines agreed to meet these voluntary standards. It's clearly in the economic interest of the airlines.
Thank you. Senator Thune.
U.S. senators last month seemed surprised to learn the airlines are basically winging it.
I think this is something we need to tackle right away.
Flight attendants are also calling for more government action. Until then, their union says passengers should fly only if the trip's essential.
We are calling for a halt to all leisure travel.
The FAA told us it is now working with those unions to address their concerns. Patrick Terpstra, Newsy, Arlington, Virginia.